So I'm gonna be trying out the Nickelodeon slime kit. And in my last video, I tried to make some slime and it failed. But while I was off camera, I was able to get this much out of it, and it's extremely sticky. See that? Sticky, sticky, sticky slime. And yeah, so now I'm gonna try out the Nickelodeon slime kit. And I don't have a container for this slime yet, so we're just gonna let him chill out over here. And yeah, hold on. Sorry, yeah, so let's open this big baby up. Okay. So this is white slime glue. Slime activator. This is slime clear glue. And yeah, let me just put this all over there. And there's only one bowl. Well, I mean, there's probably only one bowl because, like, yeah. There's flow beads, the mixing tools and stuff, and some more slime activator, some paint, red, pink, and white, and there's more paint in there, but I got another bottle of white slime glue. Yep. And so here's some more glue. I mean, not glue, but paint. I'm sorry. There's everything aside, and we also have some glitter. And I think I'm gonna use the foam. But real quick, I'm just gonna put a bit of foam in this and see if it makes it like less sticky. My mom really doesn't like foam because usually it like falls out of it. Yeah, that's a bunch of foam. Okay. Here we go. Got some foam in there. Yeah, let's put, every time I talk, like, more foam gets over here. I'm trying to scoot it all over. Look. Like I'm not even trying. Okay, I did that on purpose just to see if they would flow off more. But here's the slime now. And it has foam in it. And this video has already been 3 minutes. And I need to move on to the Nickelodeon slime. Okay, so moving on. Let's start making this stuff. Let me just, also, I'm not going to read the instructions. I'm just going to guess. So I'm putting in the white glue right now. And I want some white glossy slime is what I'm going for. Or it doesn't have to be glossy, but I mean just like normal white slime. Sorry. Now, let's, I guess, just add activator. Let me open this up just to get the stuff out that I'll be needing. Also, I thought there was supposed to be like 2 or 3 bowls with this. I guess not. mixing tool. Okay, let's add in a bit of activator. That's enough, I think. And let's start mixing. This comes together really good, but it looks like it's going to be a tiny bit overactivated, but I'm going to keep on mixing. Someone got a text message. It's probably my mom. My mom's phone, probably. Okay. I'm just going to put this up here. Okay. This is obviously overactivated. It's like, okay, hold on, I'm making a mess, but it won't be a mess in a second. And my phone's already at 10%. There. Okay, so I have to hurry. Look at that. Wow. Over activated. So I'm going to make the slime a bit better. Okay. Okay, so it's like really weird overactivated. Like I poke it, it makes the clicking noise. Like listen, and it barely stretches, and it's kind of stringy. It looks like it's stringy, but like it's overactivated, and like look, every time like I poke it, well, it either comes with me like look. I didn't mean to do that, but look, I'm gonna poke it. See, it's weird. And look at that. That's because I already added too much activator, but I'm gonna put more glue in this and see if that will do anything. So, this video is getting pretty long, and I'm going to make this into another video. Bye!